to have a face with the foundation, I think you need to know who WES was. WES was my little brother. He was the youngest of 3. My parents, we always said, liked him best, but he was fly by the seat of your pants, funny. Oh my gosh, the guy could make you laugh like nobody's business. He was hilarious. He was very confident. Kid loved life. I mean, he loved life. He was everybody's friend, everybody's friend. Everybody loved him. His heart was gold.
I could relate to this nonprofit because I lost my cousin Tyler to leukemia right before he turned 21 years old. The story of Wes and my cousin Tyler mirrored each other so much. It just stopped me right then and there, and it just, listening to them, felt like I was listening to my aunt talk about my cousin.
My father was the president and I guess you call him the CEO, the person that founded it. Yeah. And he started that back in 2006. My father passed away in 2018, so my brother was actually next in line. My brother Sean, and he passed away in October of 2018. So my dad passed away in July, and my brother passed away in October. When everyone survives, how do you allow something that's called when everyone survives to just die? So I knew I had to keep it going in memory of my little brother.
The foundation, the main purpose and mission is to fund research, and research can be done anywhere around the world. We have researchers apply every summer from literally around the world for their specific research. So what we do each year is we're raising funds, whether that be through plugging in with another group or a restaurant or a business, or having events. And then all the funds that are raised, we bring that together, and then in the summertime we have our medical advisory board, which we're so blessed to have, and they go through all of the research grants.
So the application process we designed to be very efficient. It's a total 5-page application. We can review about 60 or so applications a year and winnow it down to 2 to 4 applications which will achieve funding from the foundation. The WES Foundation, I believe, has the highest ratio of dollars raised to dollars delivered to the mission. Many foundations describe their mission broadly as supporting leukemia research or helping leukemia patients. But you have to ask how much of the dollars that come in the door actually go out to an individual researcher or to support patient services, and how much support the infrastructure around those activities, mailings, conferences, or lobbying efforts. And the WES Foundation is by far and away, to my knowledge, the group that delivers nearly all of the money raised directly to patient services or to support research. So it has a major impact. You get more bang for your buck with WES Foundation than you might with other foundations.
The opportunity for the funding through this program was fantastic, because sometimes we need to have pilot funds to allow us to test a new idea and to see if we're on the right path, if we're on the right track. And if so, we can follow up and get additional grants to follow up on that idea. But this funding mechanism was perfect because it allowed us to test a new idea that we had, a drug that we were developing, and to test a new idea with it to see if we were on the right track to be able to progress. And this drug has had exciting results in our tissue culture conditions where we've tested patient samples and leukemia cells, and in our animal models of cancer. The success has led us to be able to ask the National Cancer Institute to help us launch the approval to be able to run a clinical trial. So we have approval from the FDA to run a clinical trial with this new drug, and to find out if we can improve the cure rates and have less side effects for both adults and children that have leukemia.
Giving to the WES Foundation is an opportunity for you to be a Superman for so many people that are personally experiencing the disease of leukemia, that are struggling with this cancer.